Hi, my name is Vanessa. I study a Bachelor of Graphic Design.
My name is Nicholas. I'm from Indonesia and I'm studying Bachelor of Business.
My name is Chantal. I'm from Malaysia and I'm currently studying my Bachelor of Architectural Design at RMIT.
Before arriving in Melbourne, I felt both excited and nervous about studying abroad. I was looking forward to the opportunities, but unsure about meeting new people.
When looking at the clubs that RMIT had to offer, one that really stood out to me was the RMIT Control Plus club. My favourite thing about being in Control Plus is meeting other designers just like me.
So I grew up in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, and I wanted to move to Melbourne to study at RMIT. When I first came to RMIT, I joined all the clubs. I joined RMIT Dodgeball Club, the Surf Club, and the Outdoors Club.
So PPRMIT is an Indonesian student club that organizes fun events and allows new Indonesian students to come over and connect with each other. Ever since I joined the club, I felt more comfortable and made a lot of friends.
Now that I'm in my third year, looking back at when I first moved to Melbourne and RMIT, I can tell that I have become such a more confident person. I have made some lifelong friends that I never thought I'd meet, and it's just been the best fun of my life.
Joining these clubs, going to events are definitely important to having the best uni experience. And there's so many people who are willing to make friends. You're not the only one. So go out there, mingle with more people. You'll definitely find your crowd.